Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to insert a check mark. So if you want to insert check mark, you can go to developer menu, click on insert and then choose these options to insert the check mark or check box. You can click on the area to insert and that's it. If you want to edit, you can double click in here and you can press delete buttons to delete the text, click offset to apply. If you click, it will be automatically create the check mark. Now to active the developer menu, you can go to file, click option, and then go to customize ribbon option, and then don't forget to check the developer tab. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to insert a check mark. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.